Say, woke up in a fucking binge gaff. This binge gaff, yeah. And they not got my shoes. They fucking robbed my shoes. Went round everywhere looking for me fucking trainers. No one's got them. Fucking piss take. I said to the guys, I'd find my shoes now. So he's going, oh, bon ami. I don't care about bon ami. Talking fucking French to me. I don't know why I've ended up here with some print that's robbed me shoes. He's like, oh, café de shoes. Why are my shoes at a cafe? I'm not going to walk home with my socks in this weather with a fucking pissing down rain. So they fucking robbed my shoes. Cunts. Woke up in this fucking binge gaff. They've robbed my shoes. Not good. No shoes.
What's the kid?
My shoes are gone. Shoes? No.
Where?
In the house and somebody steal.
When? The school?
Last night.
Ah,
Yeah. Shoes in there, yeah.
hi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Fucking buying some fucking shoes. Aye, yeah. Good to meet you. It's not fucking good to meet you. Fucking got no fucking shoes. So I've just gone in a random shop and I bought some sandals because I got no shoes. Fucking getting about it. Binge gaff. Fucking someone robbed me shoes last night. I was in some horrible gaff. They fucking robbed me shoes. So that Scousers rob your trainers, mate. Fuck's sake, why the fuck me in this horrible gaff? The fucking sandals I just bought. Yeah. Fucking.
I see your face in Instagram, I know.
You seen me before?
I know, I'm not sure.
Can I get a taxi?
It's a taxi, but
This way.
this way in right, you know?
Yeah. Thank you, bro. This way and right, taxi, yeah? Let's get the fuck out of here. I was having a party last night.
What?
I was having party at house.
Party.
Yeah. Drinking.
In the night.
Yeah, there's some man, he said, come to my house, I have beer. Drink with him.
Yeah.
I wake up and I have no shoes. He stole my shoes. Yeah. And now I got these fuckers.
Oh, it's so bad,
I fucking got no fucking shoes, bro, walking about. I was getting about in the puddles, mate, with my socks on. Fuck. I never known that, mate. Tunisian people rob people's shoes. Fucking dead nice gaff, 4-star hotel that's fat. I end up at a fucking slum. Why the fuck am I going to a slum when I'm fucking meant to be here? I'd rather sleep in a slum than here.